Good morning, my dear children. Hope you all are keeping well. Children, as we learn subtraction during our online class, so let's watch a small video how to do our worksheets. So let's learn together. So today we are going to learn about subtraction. What is subtraction? You all learned? Subtraction is when you take numbers away. Children, let's learn some important keywords to remember. So as we all learned during the class, that subtraction is represented by sign. Its name is minus. Good. Also called taken away. Very good. So minus symbol is also called take away. Equal to symbol is also called is same as. So remember, take away is same as. Children, let's do some simple sums. How many balloons can you see moving? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 balloons. And let's take away 4 balloons. So 4 balloons we have taken away. How many balloons are left? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 10 take away 4 is same as 6. Good answer. Now let's do one more sum. Children, how many caps can you see moving? Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And I have taken away 2 caps. So how much is left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 7 take away 2 is same as 5. So you are doing all the answers very well. Children, let's do few more sums. How many flowers can you see here? Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And let's cross off 2 flowers. So how many we are left with? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So let's see what's the answer. Yes, you got the answer as 6. That is correct. So how are we going to read it? 8 take away 2 is same as 6. Now children, let's learn something important. When 0 is taken away from any number, the difference is the number itself. Let's do some examples. So we can see 7 flowers in a bunch, and if I take away 0 flowers, the answer is same as 7. So 7 take away 0 is same as 7. Another interesting thing to learn, when we subtract a number from the same number, the result is 0. So if I subtract 6 minus 6 or 6 take away 6, the answer is 0. 10 take away 10 is 0. 17 take away 17, the answer is 0. So here you can see 10 single fishes in a bowl, and if I take all 10 away, what will be the answer? Let's take away. So we have no fish bowls left. So the answer is 10 minus 10 is 0. Let's see a few more examples. How many happy babies can you see, children? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 in this first line. Then 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Are you all seeing 18 babies? Yes, that is correct. We have 18 babies. And let's send some babies home. So if I send 6 babies home, how many babies are left? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So if I take away from 18, 6, the answer is 12. So 18 take away 6 is same as 12. Children, let's do some sums which are little different, but we will learn. Here, how many more do Tim have than Jim? So Tim and Jim are two friends and they have some strawberries. Tim has 7 strawberries whereas Jim has 4 strawberries. So how many strawberries are common between them? What is the common number? 4. So they have 4 strawberries common. So let's strike off 4. So Tim, how much Tim is left with? Tim is left with 3 strawberries. So let's write the answer. Tim have 3 more than Jim. Now let's do the opposite. How many less do Tim have than Jim this time? So Tim has 3 strawberries this time and Jim has 8 strawberries this time. So what is the common number between them that we'll strike off? 3. So let's strike off 3 strawberries. And how many extra strawberries Jim has now? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So how do we write the answer? Tim has 5 less than Jim. Good. So there is one more last example which you can also try with me. Children, now let's do one last example. How many more do Pia have than Ria? So Pia has 6 birds and Ria has 3 birds. What is the common number of birds between them? 3. So let's strike off 3. So Pia is now left with 3 birds more. So Pia have 3 more than Ria. Let's do the opposite of more as less. Now how many less do Pia have than Ria? So Pia have 5 birds and Ria has 9 birds. So what is the common number of birds between them? 5. Let's strike off 5 birds. So Pia is left with no birds, whereas Ria has 4 birds more. So Pia will have 4 birds less than Ria. So children, we'll do some worksheets based on these activities and you can practice more of subtraction sum.